Hello everyone, welcome to this week tips. Today we will focus on an important aspect of email security, that's restricting email forwarding in settings. In today's fast-paced digital world, it's easy to accidentally or intentionally forward sensitive information, which can lead to security risk. In this video, I'll walk you through how to restrict email forwarding in Outlook to keep your sensitive information safe. Let's get started. This is a step-by-step guide to restrict email forwarding. Now open Outlook on the web and first log in. Locate to new email. Click on it to compose a new message. Fill those informations over there: recipient, subject, body. Locate to options, email options on the navigation panel. Click on it. Locate to the encryption key. Click on it. Under the permissions, you can see do not forward. Click on it. But this feature is very important because it prevents recipients from forwarding, print, then copy content. And that's it. Restricting email forwarding in Outlook is quick and easy, but goes a long way in protecting company information. Don't forget to apply this setting whenever you are handling sensitive information. Thanks for watching. Right.